Did you know 40% of bike accidents are rear-end collisions? And 80% of accidents happen during the day. Standard rear bike lights are not visible enough in daylight. The Proton R60 is going to change that. It is a smart brake light featuring innovative technology that auto-senses your bike's motion. It lights up as you slow down. We made the Proton R60 with dual LEDs, making it 6 times brighter than most rear bike lights. It's even brighter than most car taillights. The Proton R60 turns off automatically when not in use. It features a high-capacity USB rechargeable battery with up to 30 hours of runtime. And don't worry about rain or accidental spills. It's water-resistant. Ready to ride? The Proton R60 will automatically turn on to your last safe mode. Be safe, be visible with the Proton R60 Smart Auto Sensing Brake Light.
Our mission at Night Provision is to get these lights into distribution to make the road safer for everyone. Please share this video to help our cause.